Yes. Hello, guys, everyone. Today we will learn about multi-factor authentication, but this is kind of an OTP based authentication, which we will discuss with Python code. It's very simple and a few lines of code, but we will understand the steps, and that is going to be fine. So in this case, actually, the major package which we need to implement this type of approach is called PyOTP. So I'm importing PyOTP first. We will discuss later like what QR code exactly does. So let's talk about this PyOTP's expectation when it calls a method called POTP. POTP actually takes a key, and I am generating this key every time. That means every time when this piece of code is going to run, it will give us a special base32 key. Let's see. For an example, the key looks like this. If I generate this key second time, it is going to be changed. So every time when I'm running this code, this OTP is going to change. Now, after having this key, not OTP, this key, now, after having this key, we are trying to find out the corresponding POTP with the help of IOTP package. So we are passing this key and try to find out the key. So if we want to see like current OTP, and we can say like this is the current OTP, it has got its own lifetime. So we have to check within this lifetime. For an example, if I just verify this thing, it is going to be false. So it is it is a different number from the number which has been generated. So that is why it is saying like the result is false. So whenever the user gives this as an input, we can say like it is not matching, so we cannot proceed further. Let's let's generate an OTP again. So this is the latest OTP, that is 824915. I'm just trying to write this 824915 over here, and I'm just trying to verify whether it is passing or not. So probably it got the thing like it is, I mean, has got its lifetime. So it's like 93269. Yeah. So if you just run this thing, sorry, if you just run this thing, yeah, it is becoming true. Now, if you just for simplicity purpose add a different character over here and just run it, it's going to be false, right? So in this way, actually, we can verify. Now, if we want to, for an example, if we want to add, or if you want to incorporate it in a client application, then we need to probably, we'll be interested more in kind of QR code. That's why we have a separate import package keyword code. This keyword code will help us to understand like what is going to be the image, keyword image. So for an example, this is our name. This is a provisioning URI, which we can get from POTP itself, and we can generate an authentication string over here. This authentication string, whatever we got with the email ID and the issuer name, we can create an image over here, and this image we can, if we just scan this image, then we can get the OTP, right? So with the help of this image as well, you can go and for further verification. So thanks for watching. I guess this few lines of code can help you to understand how Python is actually implementing this OTP based system and how we can integrate it with our existing SaaS or any kind of product, any kind of project. Thank you so much.